come. Guess what I'm doing, everyone? I'm in the kitchen and I'm using the all-purpose seasoning mix, people, yeah? All the yours today, people, yeah? Look how amazing it is. Look at the transformation, the colors, the flavors. It's got your garlic, your ginger, your pimento. It's got everything inside of here, people, yeah? This one I'm seasoning my chicken. After seasoning my chicken, you can use it for curry, you can use it for brown stew, whatever type of chicken you want to do, but make sure you use your all-purpose seasoning mix first, people, yeah? Outside. Oi.